Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm doing an unboxing video on this Razer Naga Chroma you guys can see right here. So it does come in this regular box. Usually it does, I don't know if it comes in a different box when you buy it in a store, but this is the Razer Naga Chroma mouse, and it looks absolutely sick. So let's get straight into this, guys. Let's open this up right here. If you did not see my previous video that I made, I actually unboxed the Razer Naga Chroma keyboard, and it was like absolutely legendary. Let's get this knife open, guys. Be careful with knives; they are very dangerous. And if you're anyone but me, under 14, you probably should not use this. But since I'm a god, you guys can obviously understand that I need to use it. So let's unbox this, guys. Oof, it looks epic. Okay, you guys can see it is packaged in this. See, I was gonna throw my knife, but it might not be a good idea. Okay. Let's put that down. So now we have the keyboard right here. Sorry, mouse. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay. They've just wrapped it twice. Oh, that looking smooth. Damn, look at that. You guys can see there are 12 buttons here on the side. Or is that 10 or 12? Oh, there's only, yeah, there's 12. You guys can see 12 buttons. Let's see how it fits in my hand right here. Oh, nice. That's so nice. Look, it's got like vents in the front right here. You guys can see that. Not sure what those are meant for. The Razer Naga Chroma, you guys can see right here. Looks absolutely insane. It's got like this thing to these four, or these three things right here, all to keep it from resisting friction, which helps it move much faster. I think this thing in the middle does the same thing. There is a Razer's logo right here that is also lit up by LEDs. So are this thing, you see that right there, that's also lit up. You guys have all seen that in my, well, when I show you guys in my setup, I'll show you guys that all lit up and how it works and everything like that. But so far, you guys can see there is also a like little pad for your hand here. It's also very, like, I guess you could say friction full. It like stops your hand from moving more. So I guess that's for your pinky right there when you hold that. But damn it, it's really nice. Look at that. So then I guess, look, you guys can also see there's arrows right here, so you can do something when you go like that and that. It's very interesting, very interesting. This is a wired mouse. You guys can see the wire is actually more like string or rope. It's very like, it's like sewn together. It's not like an actual wire that you might see anywhere else. But it's a pretty cool mouse, guys. So now let me show you guys how it looks like lit up, and yeah, let's get straight into that. Here I have the actual mouse that I just got. It looks absolutely insane. It is right next to the keyboard that I did a review on earlier today. But look at this, guys. It is glowing green. You guys can see this glows. The numbers glow. The actual scroll thingy glows. And you guys can see it just moves. It moves nicely. I do need a mouse pad. You guys can see what happened to my desk because I didn't have one. But man, you guys can see it is downloading the software for all of this stuff. And yeah, I'll show you guys all the different patterns, if there are any patterns for this. And yeah, I'll show you guys my setup at the end. So you guys, now I'm going to be showing you guys this coloring of the mouse. You guys can see right now it is dark, but that's because I have it on reactive. So you guys can see it is on reactive right now. So that means whenever I click it, the colors all go on, and when I don't, it goes off. So that's pretty cool. You guys can change the color, duration, everything like that. Right now I'm in the studio that you got to download. It's Synapse. But yeah, that's for another video if you guys do want to know. And breathing, let's see what that is, guys. So the colors turn on. I guess the colors will turn off. Yeah, the colors turn on and off. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else they have here. They've got spectrum cycling, which means it goes from color to color. So I'm guessing it's going to be going along with my keyboard right here. So it's just going to circle the colors. Yeah, it aligns with your keyboard, which I think is actually really cool. Because you can see it's the same color as the keyboard. And let's do the last one. What's the last one here? Static. Okay, I don't know what static is. What is static? Let's see. Anything happen when I do this? I don't know. I think that just keeps the same color. Not sure. because it's not the same color as my keyboard right now. Either way, it's pretty cool. You guys can change the brightness right here. You guys can see, you can switch off lighting if you want it. You can turn however long it will take for you to switch that off. You can go to advanced effects, go into Cool Studio. You guys can go into it. It's pretty epic, guys. You will have to see that. You guys can look that up on YouTube as well if you guys want to see that special. Or you can guys just tell me in the comments if you guys want me to show you guys how to set everything up. Make it so you guys can use your keyboard. Make it so you guys can use your mouse and have the cool lightings on it and everything. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed. And that is at the end of this video. If you haven't seen my keyboard video, make sure to check it out. And that's the end of the video. See you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.